Welcome to our channel. Today we how to deploy AI tools with Mailchimp, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Mailchimp account. Navigate to the dashboard once you're signed in. Identify the Create button located in the upper right corner. Click on Campaign to start a new project. Choose a campaign type that aligns with your goals. For example, select email for email marketing campaigns. Next, select your audience and segment it as needed. Once your audience setup is complete, proceed to the Campaign Builder. In the Campaign Builder, look for the Content section. Here, you will add your email content and design elements. Now, explore the AI Tools feature within Mailchimp. To access AI Tools, locate the Design section. Click on the Add Content button. Select AI Content from the drop-down menu. You will find various AI-powered tools available for your use. Choose the tool that best suits your campaign objectives. For instance, consider using AI Subject Line Generator for enticing subject lines. Enter a few key details about your campaign. Then, click on Generate to create options. Review the AI-generated suggestions. Pick a subject line that resonates with your audience. Now, proceed to the body of your email. Utilize the AI copy generator for writing compelling content. Input your main idea or topic into the tool. Review the generated content suggestions carefully. Edit and personalize the content to fit your brand's tone. After finalizing the content, add images or other design elements. Utilize the AI image creation tool if needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.